Hello. So, we are going to demolish this whole building. And that. So, it's basically it's pretty big, bro. Bro. So, no, this. Okay, so, what we gotta do is, basically, I need the drone. This. So, we're gonna demolish the whole thing. Just get started. Wish I had my friends. I wish I had friends. Oh, don't pay attention to that last sentence, but... Oh, crap. I should take that out. Okay. I'm probably gonna fast forward this. Okay, so that's that part done. Now we just need to... Okay. We need to move this out here. The tech web right here, I guess. Okay, there we go. I don't want this, so... uranium crystal. I guess I'll keep the crystal. Right, because I don't have uranium. I don't want that. What is that? Okay, trampoline. Okay. I don't want this. Oh god, no! Oh god. Voice crack. Num. Yeah. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna get started with the first floor. This took me really long to build. God. How am I supposed to... Okay. Why is there a piece of gold here? Is that like regular? Okay. So. Probably gonna use some of this stuff as this. So. Why is there just colors of ice? I did not place this here. Probably one of my friends. I keep blue, because... I'm getting my nutrition today. Yeah, there's just like nothing under these. Oh god. I just realized, how am I gonna pick that up? Luckily for me, I'm a parkour pro. Ken man. Yeah, I'm not gonna video. Okay. Why is my dog barking? Lily! Why are you barking? Oh crap. Dog reveal, I guess. Okay. Ugh. Oh. Calculus battery is running low. Wow, thank God. Because I was gonna make this video gonna be long. Like some of my other videos. Oh crap! Did okay. Copy. Okay. Okay. Now I'm gonna have to end it here. It might be a part 2. So goodbye guys.